Welcome to the course Digital Marketing and Growth. I am Krishangee Kalita, subject matter expert, business administration. Now first let us understand what digital marketing is. So when we talk about digital marketing, it is the practice of promoting products, services and brands through online channels. It combines data analytics, creative content and technology. So why this combination is being done? It is done so as these technology platforms can reach a large number of target audiences. And it is very important for the business growth because nowadays or at present times the customer attention has permanently shifted online. And every touch point is now measurable, it is trackable and optimizable. Now, let us understand the digital growth ecosystem. So, first we have the owned media, that is the assets which you control completely. That is your website, your blog, email list and app. Next, we have the paid media, that is for which you need to pay. It consists of search ads, display advertising, social media promotion and sponsored content. Next you have the earned media, that is these are the ones which money cannot buy, like the press coverage, organic shares, reviews, word of mouth promotion, etc. Next, we have the shared media, that is the social media platforms where audiences co-create and they amplify, maximize the brand messages. Next, let us know about the customer journey, how it works online. That is, first we need to understand where the customers are in this journey. Okay, it determines which channel, which message, which metrics matters the most, and mapping this journey or understanding this journey is of utmost importance because these are the highest value activities which can be performed by a digital marketer. Now let us understand this customer journey work online. First is awareness, that is awareness is being built in the minds of customers. They need to know about the product. They become aware, that is brand discovery via search engine optimization and ads. Next we have the consideration, that is here various options are being evaluated with the contents, with the reviews. Next we have the conversion, that is how the customers are being converted for purchase, that is they actually make the purchase, that is or the sign up driven by offers. Next we have the retention. So when we talk about retention, that is how the customers are retained back in the business or they repurchase the products or services. That is, we can talk about the loyalty via email and personalization. Next we have the search engine optimization and content marketing. These actually forms the long-term foundation, or we can say the basic foundation of digital growth. To the business appear at the top of search results without paying for each click? Suppose I am seeing best cafes in a particular place and some cafes appear at the top. How? So, these we can attribute to the keyword research to match user intent, on-page optimization of titles, headings and metadata, authority building through backlinks and thought leadership, content that answers real questions at every stage of the funnel. So this is how the search engine optimization and content marketing is done. Next, we have the paid digital advertising. So Why do brands actually invest billions in paid channels each year? Because remember, these paid advertising delivers speed, scale, and precision, targeting that organic methods alone cannot match. That is, which are not paid. It cannot match the paid digital advertising. First, we have the search ads, that is PPC. It captures the demand at the moment of intent. We can talk about the Google and Microsoft advertisements, which place your brand directly in front of the users who are actively searching for answers, who are actively searching for the solutions. Next, we have social media ads. We can talk about Meta, LinkedIn, and TikTok, which allow the hyper-specific audience targeting based on the demographics, based on the behavior and the signals of the customers who are showing interest. Next, we have the programmatic display. That is, it is the automated real-time bidding places ads across thousands of customers, and the reach is being maximized while controlling cost per impression. Next, we have the data analytics and performance measurement. What gets measured gets managed. So, digital marketing has a big advantage over traditional marketing. That is, the advantage is full attribution. That is, every click you make, scroll, and conversion, it can be traced back to its source. The key metrics every digital marketer must master in, they must know very well, is the customer acquisition cost, the return on spend, conversion rate and the bounce rate, the customer lifetime value, and the net promoter score. Next, let us talk about growth hacking and experimental mindset. Remember, growth hacking is not magic. It is a tedious process. It is a rigorous process of experimentation. That is, rapid experiments are being carried out across channels, product features, and messaging to identify, to know the highest leverage opportunities for scalable growth. First, we have hypothesize. That is, one specific growth assumption is to be tested. That assumption is being identified. Next, we have experiment. That is, designing and launching a minimum viable, that is, a minimum feasible test quickly. Next, we have the analyze. That is, the results are being measured against a clear success metric, that is a standard. Next, we have scale or kill. That is, double down on what works, and what doesn't work, just remove them or discard them. Next, we have emerging trends shaping digital growth. First, we have AI and automation. So, remember, generative AI is reshaping content creation, customer service, and personalization at scale. Next, we have voice and conversational search. Over 40% of adults, they use their voice search daily. The conversational question-based queries now requires a new approach, a novel approach to the keyword strategy. Next, we have the short-form video dominance. The TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are rewriting attention economics. Next, the key takeaways and the next steps is that you need to understand your channels, you need to map the customer journey, you need to measure what matters. Remember, build a metrics framework which is centered on the business outcomes, on the business results, not on the vanity metrics. Last, we have the experiment relentlessly. That is, we always have to adopt a growth mindset. Test fast, learn faster, and scale only what the data confirms. For more information about the course, subscribe to MSM Grad and stay updated with the latest learning opportunities. Thank you.